Are you serious? Are you serious? Sorry, the lighting looks bad in here, and boy, we're making a lot of progress in the salvation station. The construction work coming along very well. We should be able to get you a video update tomorrow. So the lighting's terrible in here. That's why I look so red, but I'm not really that red. Now, listen to this. There's been an incredible solar wind eruption. I don't call it what you want. It's maybe the highest ever. Unbelievable. 943.7 kilometers per second. That's 943,000 kilometers per second. And so anyway, what you have here is it computes out to 2.1 million miles an hour. Now, this is triple what you normally have. This is 3 times faster than normal. And while this is happening, Mount Etna has erupted. Explosion! And I mean, it's spectacular. So we've got a situation here where we have incredible. Now, BP Earthwatch has a great video about this. At one point, and he actually sent me an email and said, Paul, at one point it spiked and hit an all-time, a momentary spike of 1,000, get this, 1.1 million kilometers per second, okay? Right now it's at 943. It was at 1103. Now, I just checked it a few minutes ago, and it has come down to about 660, which is still twice the normal speed. What's happening is these solar winds are currently blowing around the earth incredible speeds. This means the auroras are likely to be around the Arctic Circle after local nightfall. High latitude air travelers are already seeing northern lights. That means there's a ton of radiation up there, and we're being inundated with it, which means, folks, if there was a burst, a coronal burst, it could just set off major earthquakes. And maybe that's what, Mount Etna is already ready to go. I mean, it doesn't take much. And Mount Etna is erupting right now. So there's some very serious situations. We're in a very serious solar minimum. And we see these solar winds weren't projected to do this, off the charts at 943. Right now it's 660, but 943 not long ago, and during that time, Mount Etna erupted. So we're going to keep a close eye on these things. These are very apocalyptic. This is an apocalyptic. Let me just put it this way. The sun is doing what the Bible said it will do, releasing such CMEs and such radiation and such solar winds that men's skin could start burning them from the heat. They could be scorched, and they may blaspheme God. I mean, it's in the Bible, in the book of Revelation. It's going to happen. It's not could it, it's going to happen. And we're seeing something taking place in the sun we ain't seen before. Now, guys, I can tell you, I did a video a few days ago where someone took a picture as it was sunset, what looked like some kind of another planet out there. Get this. That picture was taken in Michigan. That picture was taken in Elkhart, Indiana. Elkhart, Indiana. That same sunset, people sent me more pictures. Birmingham, Alabama. Sandy sent me a picture. Same thing. And then South Carolina sent a picture to me. Same thing. Now, those are not lens flares. Every one of the people who took these pictures saw it with their naked eyes, saw something there. That's why they took the picture. The sun was so bright they couldn't see exactly what it was, so they took the picture. So what I'm trying to tell you is, I don't know. Is it a moon of some sort? Is it Nibiru? Is it Planet X? I don't know. But something's causing the heavens to shake, the earth to quake, my mind to ache, the devil's back to break. I mean, listen, something biblical is going on with the signs of the second coming of Christ. The Bible said there shall be signs in the sun and in the moon and in the stars, and distress of nations with perplexity. The sea and the waves roaring, men's hearts will fail them for fear. for looking after those things that are coming upon the earth, for the powers of heaven shall be shaken. So certainly we are seeing this type of activity. It's very concerning. Are you saved? Give your life to Jesus Christ. He's coming soon, and I don't know when he's coming. Don't miss this weekend. You need to be in Knox, Indiana for 3 days of glory, because the Lord's coming. And look, are you ready to meet him? Are you saved?